Since 1960, Modern Tool has been the trusted name in machine tools and metal processing machinery. With over 600 machines in stock and ready for delivery, we ensure you get the right tool for the right job, right when you need it. Where innovation meets tradition, coast to coast for 64 years strong. From oil rigs in Alberta to shipping yards in Nova Scotia, our machines power progress. Our commitment to excellence doesn't stop at sales. We provide comprehensive post-warranty services ensuring your equipment runs at its best. Our team of skilled millwrights and electronic technicians are always ready to support you. From shears to grinders, CNC lathes to milling machines, we offer a wide array of new and used equipment to meet all your metal fabrication needs. Modern Tool. We go the extra mile because it's not as crowded.